Hi friends. Welcome back to the channel. It's a new year, and if you're anything like me, you've got your sights set on leveling up your financial game in 2025. Let me ask you something. Have you ever wondered how you can make your money work for you instead of trading your precious time for it? If that's a yes, then buckle up, because in today's video, we're diving into the ultimate beginner's guide to investing. Now, before you scroll away thinking, investing is overwhelming and confusing, I hear you. I used to feel the same way. But I've spent the past few years cracking the code, and I promise, by the end of this video, you'll feel empowered and ready to take your first steps into the investing world. But first, let's get a few things straight. This is not financial advice. What works for me may not work for you, but I hope you'll learn something new. If money talk isn't your thing, I get it, but money affects everything in life. So stick with me. This might just be the video that changes how you see it. Let's start with the million-dollar question. When should I start investing? You've probably heard people say, you should start investing ASAP. But hold up. Before you jump into the market, there are 3 key boxes you need to check. Cover your basics, make sure you can afford your rent, utilities, groceries, and other day-to-day expenses. Tackle your minimum debt payments. This means staying on top of your credit cards, student loans, car payments, etc. Build your emergency fund. Aim for at least 3-6 months worth of living expenses. If your income is less stable, freelancers and contractors, I'm looking at you, consider saving 6 months to a year. Pro tip. Don't let that emergency fund just sit in a regular bank account. Open a high-yield savings account instead, where your money earns interest. Currently around 4–5% depending on the bank. That's free money, folks. Now, let's talk about debt. Should you pay it off first or start investing? Here's a simple rule of thumb. If your loan has an interest rate of 7% or higher, focus on paying that off first. Why? Because the average stock market return is about 7–10% per year, and high-interest debt is a guaranteed drain on your finances. If your loan has a lower interest rate, like 3–4%, you might consider splitting your focus, make the minimum payments while also starting to invest. And if you're debt-free? Congratulations! You're ready to dive straight into investing. Here's a little secret. The best investment you can make is in your future. Most workplaces offer retirement plans, like 401ks or 403(b)(s). Here's what you need to know. 1. Pre-tax accounts let you contribute money before taxes are taken out, but you'll pay taxes when you withdraw. 2. Post-tax accounts, like a Roth 401k, use money you've already paid taxes on, so your withdrawals in retirement are tax-free. Hot tip. If your employer offers a match, e.g., they'll match up to 3% of your salary, take it. That's free money, and you should always contribute enough to get the full match. Okay. Let's talk strategy. If you're just starting out, the easiest and most effective way to invest is through index funds. What's an index fund? Think of it as a basket of stocks. Instead of investing in just one company, you're investing in many at once, like Apple, Amazon, Google, and more. This makes it less risky and gives you a slice of the overall market. 2 popular options. 1. Vanguard S&P 500 ETF, VOO, tracks the top 500 companies in the U.S. 2. Vanguard Total Stock Market ETF, VTI, covers the entire stock market. Warren Buffett, one of the world's richest investors, swears by index funds. Back in 2008, he bet that an S&P 500 index fund would outperform hand-picked hedge funds over 10 years, and he was right. Here's my personal secret weapon: dollar cost averaging. Instead of trying to time the market, which is impossible, by the way, I invest a fixed amount every week. Whether the market is up or down, I'm consistently buying. Over time, this strategy evens out the highs and lows, ensuring I'm not overpaying. You don't need a ton of money to start. Most platforms let you buy fractional shares. So if a stock costs $445 and you only have $50, you can still invest. Here's the truth, friends. Money can be scary, but it doesn't have to be. The more you understand it, the more control you have over your life. We're not here to grind until we're 80. We're here to make our money work for us, so we can spend our time doing what matters most. If you have questions or tips of your own, drop them in the comments. I'd love to learn from you, too. And if there's a topic you want me to cover next, let me know. Remember, financial literacy is a journey, not a sprint. We're in this together. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with anyone who's ready to take control of their financial future. Until next time, stay smart, stay savvy, and stay empowered. Thanks for watching, friends. Don't forget to check out my YouTube short on setting up automatic investments. It's a game changer.